Hello and welcome to Learn and Fun. In last video we covered future continuous tense. In today's video we will see future perfect tense. What is future perfect tense? To talk about something that will be completed before a specific time in the future. Affirmative structure of future perfect tense is subject plus will have plus verb third form plus object. With the subject he, she, name, it, we use will have plus V3. Same with the subject I, we, they, you, we use will have plus V3. Let's see few examples. First one is I will have written a letter. Second one is she will have played football. Third one is they will have joined the session. And the last one is we will have made food. Negative structure of future perfect tense is subject plus will not have plus V3 plus object. Let's see few examples. First one is I will not have written a letter, or we can say I won't have written a letter. Second one is they will not have closed this deal. Third one is she will not have played football, or she won't have played football. And the last one is they will not have joined the session, or they won't have joined the session. Interrogative structure of future perfect tense is will plus subject plus have plus V3 plus object. We use will before the subject. Will plus subject he, she, name, it plus have plus verb third form plus object. Same with the subject I, we, they, you, we use will before the subject plus have plus V3 plus object. Let's see few examples with interrogative. First one is will I have played football? Second one is will they have closed this deal? Third one is will she have written a letter? And the last one is will they have joined the session? Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.